Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an unboxing of the Simply Gilded subscription kit. I'm super excited about this because I try to keep all of the items a surprise. So we are going to open this together and see what is inside. So let's open the package. I'm going to be very careful. I don't want to cut the box. And let's see, I do know the theme of this box. It is Home Sweet Home, but that's pretty much all that I know, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so it is Home Sweet Home. That is the theme. This is what the front of the box looks like, and this is the back of the box with the pastel plaid and the home. It says there's no place like home. That is so precious. The box is having trouble closing. That probably means there's a lot of stuff inside. So we are going to get into this box. So I am going to open the box off camera so that I don't spoil the items. We are going to open them in the order it is on the index card that is inside the box. I will show the mystery item at the end of the video, but I will warn you before I do that. So if you don't want to see it, if you want to keep it a surprise, you can click out of the video, and yeah, that will be it. So let's take all of this out. I'm gonna try not to look at the items as I take them out, but that's going to be very difficult to do. Okay, so the first thing we have to get is the card that says what everything is, and I think it's in this zipper bag, not zipper bag, the plastic pouch. Nope, it's not in here. I see the journaling card. I don't have the card. Oh no. Oh yes, I do. It was still in the box. Silly me. Okay, so the first thing we have is the journaling card. And it is this one. Mine got a little bit bent in the box, but that is okay. This is so sweet. Oh, it says life is sweet on it, but I meant that it looks so adorable. Like the illustrations are really sweet. It is a baking themed journaling card, and so you have the gold on the border and the lettering and the icons. And it's blank on the other side, so you can write on it. Some people do their other washi tape swatches on the other side, or you could tip it into your journal and use this as a writing area. So that's cute. The next thing is the designer washi tapes, which I'm so excited about. So let's take out the washi tapes. They come, oops. They come in this pouch right here. And I reuse these pouches. They're really good to use for other things. So I will put that off to the side. And I don't usually unroll and swatch the washi tapes. I will unroll the small ones because these are individual, but it's hard to see. This is the Washi Add-On. It costs $6, I believe. So these are all the washi tapes that come with the kit. And so you have your date covers in this, I want to say mint green, but it's a little bit more muted than that. But, and then you have the gold foiling washi tape. Let me unpack this one, because these are two washi tapes together. And I think the second one is perforated. Yeah, so these are the days of the week. They are perforated, and then you have the bow, the gold bow dividers, which are also perforated. Cute. And then you have these washi tapes. This one is icons of cooking and baking. So you have the pot, the eggs, flour, oven mitt, jars, really cute icons on it. It's probably hard to see with the glare, but it's really cute. Then you have this floral with pink flowers and a gold border on it. Then you have the two plaid washi tapes, which I'm most excited about. It's the same plaid, well, almost the same plaid that was on the box. It's like a pink and purple plaid with gold bows. And then you have the bear washi. I don't remember the bear's name. I want to say it's, is it Jasper? I know the bunny is Juniper. I think the bear is Jasper. I'm not sure. But it's super cute. So these are all the washi tapes that come with the box. And now let's open up the add-on washi tapes. These are the 5mm washi tapes. So let's take these apart. So we have the skinny washi tape that is the same as the plaid washi tape that we have. So we have it in all 3 sizes. Then we have this beige tan color with gold around it. Then we have that same muted mint green with stars. And then we have gray with gold hearts on it. So if you get the add-on washi, these will be all of the washi tapes that you get, and I am in love with this collection. I love the colors. I love how cozy it feels with the plaid and the browns and the muted colors. I really like these washi tapes. So we're gonna put those off to the side. The next thing on the card is the new Deluxe Sticker Kit, and she reformatted the sticker kits. I do know that. I'm excited to see what they look like now. So here, oh my God, these colors with the washi tapes, this will make for a beautiful planner spread. I cannot wait. But we are going to jump right into this. So, oh, I see changes already that I'm super excited about. Okay, so the first thing that we have are the bow seals. And again, I love the floral pattern on this one and the plaid, just so pretty. Then we have the date dots in plaid, and it has the date dots at the top and then icons at the bottom. The one thing I will say about these icon sheets is that with the pattern on the background, it is a bit hard to see, but once you pull it up and you have the individual sticker on its own, it looks super cute. It's just when it's on this whole page with the whole pattern, it makes it hard to see. But these are super cute. And the one change that I see already is that there are 4 sets of date headers, which I wasn't really expecting that because the box stickers don't give you enough to do a whole month's worth of spreads, but you have extra date covers if you need them. Then you have headers down here. They say meeting, appointment, important, goals, shopping, meal plan. Then you have the half boxes. And then you have your checklist, some more headers, A habit tracker. Well, it's kind of a habit tracker. It's just a strip. It doesn't have room for you to write what the habit is above it. But you could easily just write that in on the paper. And then you have the quarter boxes, no, third boxes, more headers, half boxes. Something happened to my sticker sheet at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like really crinkled. Yeah, that's not going to show up on camera, but I'm okay with that. Oh, then we have more checklists. We have so many checklists, and then we have flags, icons, deco, bows, cute, and then we have the boxes. So there are 9 full boxes and some headers here at the bottom. I love how much you get in the sticker kit now, especially the checklist and the flags. I will definitely use those. So we have the sticker kit. The next is the printed mini album. I love her mini albums. I use them to put little sticker sheets in. And this plaid pattern is just so precious. So let's take off all of the plastic. And then you open it up, and it's this blush pink inside. It almost looks beige, but is it beige or pink? It's hard to tell. It's really light, but yeah. I use these to put small sticker sheets in, and it has a scalloped edge over here. It's like a little flap. You could put something in there, and the scalloped edge over here with the gold hardware. Super cute. The next thing on the card is the B6 stitched binding notebook, which is here. So we have, let me open this from the back just in case I scratch it. And I like the dot grid notebooks. I'm currently using one of the lined notebooks, and I find that I prefer the dot grid. It just gives me more room to work with, and I can customize it however I want when it's dot grid, but we will see. So it has the bear on the front, and it's a little bit plain, but I guess that means you can kind of decorate it how you want. And then it's lined. It's cute. I prefer dot grid, but I will use this. I like to throw these in my purse and just jot down notes, ideas, things that I need to remember. So we have that. Let me try to move everything. Then we have the pen. And this, of course, it matches everything in the box. So it is this beige color, this cream. What color is this? It's like a cream white beige color with gold, and it's super cute. It has the bow right here on the side. Of course, the Simply Gilded bow on the top of the pen. And I actually like the Simply Gilded pens. They write really smooth, and they have a nice weight to them when you write with them. So I'm really happy to add this one to my collection. The next thing is the weekly notepad. Interesting. What is the weekly notepad? This. The weekly notepad. Interesting. Interesting. I actually bought a weekly notepad at Michael's. It's bigger than this, but I have been using that to pre-plan in. This is smaller than I'm used to, but I guess I could use this to pre-plan, just to write down things ahead of time. And then it's this beige tan color with gold foiling. So you have your days of the week, then you have top goals, to do, notes, and Saturday and Sunday are split here on the side. And then it's just a notepad. Cute. Then the next item is the Jasper Magnet. Yeah, so the bear is Jasper. So let's take this out. Cute. I'm probably going to put this on my craft cart. It's so adorable. It has a gold on the rim, on the outline of it. Super cute. And then the last thing is the mystery item. So now is the part of the video where you can click off if you don't want to see the mystery item. And if you don't want to see the mystery item, thank you so much for watching this far. Thanks for joining me as I go through the unboxing of this Simply Gilded subscription kit. But I'm going to show the mystery item now, so if you don't want to see it, now is your time to click off. And I'm done stalling, so hopefully it's just those of us who want to see the mystery item. Here we go. I'm super excited because I see it off to the side. I'm super excited. It goes with the theme of the box, this home sweet home cozy theme that we have going on in this October box. The mystery item is recipe cards. This is so cute. As a theme, as a box, it's so cohesive. Now, I don't usually use recipe cards, but oh, they're all different. I thought they were all going to be this plaid design. Oh my God, that is so cute. Okay, so I lost my train of thought. What was I saying? Anyway, let's go through the designs of the cards. So we have this plaid with the gold Simply Gilded bow. We have these baking items. We have the bear. And then we have a cake stand with flourishes. And that is cute. And on the other side, we have recipe. So we have the title of the recipe, servings, prep time, cook time, ingredients, and method. Now these cards feel like they're not paper, so you might need a Sharpie to write on it. I'm not sure. I doubt the gel ink pen will. I'm not gonna say. I don't know what pen you need to write on these, but these are very nice. These are the kinds of cards that are like a keepsake that you want to keep and present. These are so nice. Oh, like I was saying, I don't really use actual recipe cards, but I will use these and see how I like it, especially around this time for the holiday. It would just be nice to start new traditions, like new recipes and dishes that I make for the holidays, and having these cute cards to write them on is so perfect. I absolutely love this box. I don't have anything else to say. I love this box. I love the color scheme, the plaid. I'm glad we have so much of the plaid because it is just so cute. We have the album, we have the sticker kit that has plaid in it, we have the washi tapes, of course, and the recipe cards. I'm just really happy with this box, with the amount of stuff we get in the box. I'm just happy with this box. I was so excited to open it. I got it yesterday and I wanted to open it then, but I was just too busy. I'm super happy with everything in this box, but that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.